Welcome to your beginner's abs. What's up, everybody? This is part of our beginners series, a whole bunch of incredible workouts that help you either get started with your fitness journey, or if you've maybe fallen off and you're like, I don't really know where to start, this is the perfect place. My name is Rebecca-Louise, and I have been training on YouTube since, oh my gosh, I can't even remember, since 2013. And I have loads of videos on YouTube and on my Burn by Rebecca-Louise app that have helped people get more energy, have more confidence, and have more self-belief. So if you want to get more self-belief, you want to increase your confidence and your energy, it all starts with what we're going to do in today's workout. All right, let's tackle your core. You're probably thinking, Rebecca, what are you doing with a towel? Well, this is the towel test I do when I'm teaching any workout live in person. I always do the towel test first. So quickly run, grab a tea towel. My family always brings me back a tea towel from different places that they've traveled around the world. This is my mom and dad when they went to Monaco. Very, very nice, very fancy. They're not fancy people. They just went to Monaco for the day. All right, let's just get that straight. Okay, so grab your towel. We're going to come all the way down. I've been to Monaco once before. It is amazing, but it is very, very fancy, but beautiful place. All right, we're going to grab that towel, and all you're going to do is you're going to put it underneath, and you're going to be able to have enough to grip, but enough to core underneath. And what we're going to do is we're going to test. This is called the towel test. It's very, very advanced. And all I want you to do is think about pulling that towel away from you, right? Pulling it underneath. But what you're going to do is you're going to tuck those hips under so tight, pull your abs in towards your core, that any time that I imagine I'm there right with you and I'm going to wiggle that towel away from you and you're like, no, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it. And that's what you want to do every single time you come to an ab workout. You want to make sure that you are tucking your core underneath so tight. So we're going to utilize this method here so that you are always working your core and not going to damage your back. So give me one more tug. Really think about squeezing that towel and gently release. Okay, so the same thing when we're going to do a dead bug, which is going to be our first exercise. You can see that there's a big gap between my mat and my back. We want to close that gap, right? Which is why the towel test is great. So you want to tuck your hips underneath, and you can even add the towel right here on the other side, and you're going to bring your legs and your arms up, and you're basically going to take it into opposite arms, opposite legs. Now, the more that you extend your arms and your legs, the harder it's going to be, okay? But what we want to really focus on is tucking your core underneath and making that really, really tight. So squeeze everything. And again, maybe just come down right here, take a little tug of your towel, see where you're at, make sure that your hips are tucked under. And if you want to use the towel throughout this whole workout, absolutely, it's a great little reminder of what to do. All right, to make sure that your core is engaged. That is one of the most important things, is always making sure those hips are tucked underneath. All right, gently release. Okay, I'm going to pop that towel over to the side, but again, and keep utilizing this. It's going to really help make sure that you are getting the best out of your ab workout. All right, we're going to take it into a little crunch and a single heel tap at the same time, okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to crunch up and we're going to take one heel up at a time. Now, when we're doing any exercises here that allow our heads to lift up off the sky, sometimes you get a bit of tension in your neck. You might find that when you've done some ab workouts. Release your head into your hands and really think about using a crunch. So bring those elbows really, really wide out to the side, and then you're just going to extend one leg up and down and then crunch in and out. Here we go, that's it. So now try and lift up a little bit more through your chest so you can work the top part of your core. I'm going to give you exercises today to work different parts of your abs, so make sure that we get overall sculpted core. All right, bring that chest up a little bit more and gently release down. All right, we're going to come up onto our elbows this time, work a little bit of your lower abs. And all we're going to do is we're going to bring those elbows directly underneath your shoulders, and you're going to extend one leg out at a time. And as you get more confident, you can extend two. But what we're going to do is we're going to start off with one at a time, then switch over to the other side. Now, if you want to, you can lift and keep both of your legs lifted and bring it right here. So drop the shoulders down, lift up through your chest, then extend, really press that heel out, and then squeeze it back together. That's it. Nice work. Drop those shoulders down. And we're working your lower core right here. As you extend the leg, it's going to work that muffin top area. All right, here we go. Press that heel through. 10 seconds left to go right here. That's it. Extend with every single rep that you do. You know that you're getting stronger. You know that you're getting more confident. Give me one more. and gently release.
Okay, I know that I'm interrupting your ab exercises, and you know that I would never ever interrupt a Rebecca-Louise abs unless it was very, very important. And I promise you, give me 30 seconds of your time, you're gonna get back to the ab workout, but I do have something very special for you. You are doing an amazing job at the workouts, and I want to help you get the results that you have been looking for. It's great doing a couple of free workouts on YouTube. However, it's not going to get you the results that you need and that you are really looking for longevity. Why is that? Because you need a method. You need something that is proven that works. So welcome to the Burn Method, which is exclusively available inside of my Burn by Rebecca-Louise app. Inside, the workouts are perfectly structured. It's going to give you the exact workout to do every single day, no matter if you're an intermediate, beginner, or you're just getting back into it. I've got something for everybody. We also talk 20% fitness, we give you the 80% nutrition, and 100% is your mindset. A whole mindset section inside of there to help you with the way that you think. And because you are one of my specials, because I love my YouTube audience, I'm giving you 30% off. Okay, so all you gotta do is go in the link up here, link in the description. It's gonna give you an exclusive link so you can get 30% off the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app and start the Burn Method today so you can really get the results that you are after. I'm gonna guide you every single step of the way, and I'll see you inside of the Burn app. All right, I'll let you get back to your abs.
It's okay, come back down lying onto your back. We're gonna do classic bicycles, right? Because this is gonna really work your obliques and also your lower abs and a little bit of your upper abs too. So bring your hands behind your head, and we're going to just take it across, slow and controlled. Now the goal here to get the most out of working your abs is to think about lifting up through your chest and bringing your elbow to your knee, right? Because if we think about bringing the knee to the elbow, it's a little bit of a cheat. What we want to do is we want to focus about lifting up through our chest and bringing the elbow nice and wide out to our knee. That's it. You're doing so good. Every single rep. Oh, it makes it easier and easier when you keep on showing up. It's sometimes when we've had like a little bit of a break, oh, that next exercise is like, oh, so strenuous, and we feel tired the next day and we feel sore and we don't come back to it. So come back to something that you know that you are going to enjoy and it's not going to kill you. All right, coming all the way down, we're going to take it back into some oblique crunches here. What we're going to do is we're going to take it opposite elbow to knee crunch. So you're going to keep both feet down on the ground and then just lift one up at a time. Again, I want you to think about that same thing that we did the bicycles. We are just extending and bringing our elbow towards our knee, right? Try not to bring that knee too close in towards you, and then just taking it across your body. That's it. Lifting up through your chest, giving yourself a smile. Remember, energy is everything. If you come to this workout with low energy, right, what can you do to increase your energy? Is it change in your mindset? Is it a change in your belief that you can just make with yourself, and that's going to change your energy? Maybe this workout is actually going to just increase your energy as well. All right, give me one more and gently release down. Okay, we're going to take it into a single leg drop hold. So all we're going to do is you can extend one leg up to the sky, and you're going to lifting up through your chest. Option number two, you can extend that leg all the way down, or you can just bring that knee and take it as a slight bend. So whichever one feels best for you. If you have too much tension in your neck right now, you can even just relax the neck all the way down to the ground. That's the beautiful thing about exercise, is there are so many different variations that you can do, right? It doesn't matter if you can't do the hardest one right now, there's always going to be levels. And the most important thing is you get started and you keep getting stronger with every single time that you do these workouts. All right, here we go, looking good. You have got 10 seconds right here. Pull that core in nice and tight. Relax your shoulders onto the mat. And here we go for 3 and 2, and give me one more, and release. Okay, we're going to take it into a little crunch up to the top, the little reach ups, right? So you can either bend your knees or you can take them straight, and just depending where you're at right now. And we're just going to reach up, opposite arm and opposite leg. That's it. So keep those, getting those elbows nice and wide out to the side, and then just inhale and exhale, giving yourself a smile. The best thing to do is to move your body daily. That's exactly why we have the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app. There is a full beginners program inside of the app every single month, right? So if you're like, I just don't really know what to do or where to start, well, just download the app and it's going to tell you exactly what workout to do on what day every single month. There's also rest days in there as well, so as a beginner, you're not going to overtrain. And all the way up, and gently release down. Okay. Oh, now this exercise, you might want to use your towel again. What we're going to do here is we're going to bring those knees up. It's just going to be a static hold, right? Because I want you to really focus on your core and making sure that your hips are tucked underneath. So tuck your hips underneath, press your hands into your knees, and that's it. That's all you're going to do. You're just going to press and hold because you're going to feel that static squeeze and those isometric hold in your abs. You can even put your hand there, right there on your abs. Make sure you feel that. So tuck your hips underneath, and then again, press your hands into your knees, and then your knees into your hands. And then just taking a couple of breaths right here. Do not hold your breath, all right? You just want to keep on moving right here. That's it. Here we go. 15 seconds left. A little bit more. Press those hands into the knees and press your knees into your hands. Drop your shoulders down, no tension in your neck or your jaw, and hold here for 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and gently release. Okay, we're going to take it into some full sit-ups. So bring your arms over the top of your head, pull that belly button in nice and tight, and use the momentum of your arms to lift you all the way up to the top. And then we're just gently going to take it all the way down, vertebrae by vertebrae, coming all the way down onto your mat as gently and as gracefully as you can. No problem if you just kind of plonk down, or if you need a little bit of an extra push to get up, that's okay. Just get yourself up and get yourself all the way down. That's it. Slow and controlled, dropping your shoulders, inhaling through your nose, exhaling everything out, and lifting all the way up. That's it. Nice work. 15 seconds to go right here. Take it down slow and controlled. Bring your arms over the top of your head. Use it as momentum. Lift up and gently come all the way down. All right, we're going to end back with our dead bugs. So again, if you need to add that towel underneath, add the towel, tuck your hips underneath, bring those legs up, shoot those arms up to the sky. And let's see this time if you can just take it a little bit of a more of a lengthen. So maybe you were here at the beginning. Let's see if you can just take it a little bit extra. Maybe it goes onto your 45 degree, and then eventually it's a 180 line all the way from your hands all the way through to your feet. Nice work. That's it. Keep it nice and consistent. And remember that it doesn't matter where you're at right now. The most important thing is that you get started. You can't be great at the beginning, right? But you do have to start to be great. Squeeze your core nice and tight, tuck your hips underneath, and try and lengthen just a little bit further for your last 10 seconds. Here we go. Breathe through it. Come on. Stay strong. We got this for 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and release. Woo! Nice work. And just like that, you got through it. You're probably thinking, oh, I could do more than that. Or you might be thinking, oh, that was enough for me today. Either way, you did it. And that's what you want to celebrate, is being here and being able to get through a workout. However, if it wasn't the best, it doesn't matter. You still did it. And if you're like, hey, I'm still ready to do a little bit more, I've added some more of my favorite workouts here that I think are perfect to do after this workout. And of course, if you're serious about getting results, then join the Burn by Rebecca-Louise app. Right? It's going to give you a daily workout every day that's going to keep you on track. It's going to give you the right nutrition that you need, because 80% of your results are down to nutrition. And more importantly, it's going to give you the mindset that you need to get results, because 100% is your mindset. Amazing job. I'm proud of you for turning up, and make sure that you schedule when you're going to do your workout with me tomorrow.